Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Hotel review. Today we're checking out the Hyatt Regency John Wayne Airport, which is an airport hotel located right next to John Wayne Airport in Orange County, California. It serves all the beach cities. If you're flying into Disneyland, you might consider this property. It's pretty centrally located for a lot of the attractions, so you're about a 15-20 minute Uber from the beach cities as well as Disneyland, especially if there's no traffic. Traffic being a different story altogether, but we decided to walk to the hotel from the airport. Out of the airport, they do have a shuttle that'll pick you up on request and then drop you back off every 30 minutes in the morning for your flight. But for us, we just felt like it was pretty convenient with little luggage just to take a nice walk through the beautiful Orange County weather and not scorching heat here in Scottsdale, Arizona as I record this narration. So the whole hotel is brand new. They redid an older hotel, and you can definitely tell it's just really fantastic on the inside, really high quality. The staff are really friendly. As a globalist, I get free breakfast off the lobby at the Wave restaurant. They do have a grab and go area if you don't have that or just want a quick snack. So that's pretty convenient there. You can grab your coffee in the morning. And then the Wave restaurant, they took off everything off my bill in the morning, so that was pretty fantastic there. This property is really cheap on points, but I think it's 12,000 points a night, category 3, which is pretty good for Orange County in the middle of the summer. But when we stayed, it just made sense to pay cash instead of points, so we paid just under $150 a night, I believe. So really great value there. They don't really have any suites to upgrade globalists, but if you're coming here, you're probably not staying in the room too much, so it's not really that big of a deal. They have a nice resort-style pool, though, nice hot tub, and then a nice little event center in case you were interested in hosting an event here. They do have that as an option. Nice big lawn for people to, just hang out and play games. You can set things up there. So nice little space here for an airport hotel. I was really impressed with the whole outdoor area. Now the hotel is split into 2 different towers, so we're going to show you what that looks like. There's a bridge that connects the 2, and then in the main tower, before you hit the bridge, is the fitness center. So we're going to head up the escalators, and by escalators I mean elevators, and check out what that looks like. So the fitness center, if you are someone who likes to kind of work out in private, a little weird here in that it's kind of a pass-through to that bridge. You'll see that in a second, so if you're someone that likes that, you may not really enjoy this. Overall, I don't think it's really that big of a deal, but if it's a really busy day at the hotel, you may be a little bothered by that and gets you out of the zone as you're trying to get your cardio in. Love the carpet at this hotel. Feels very Hyatt Regency, lots of blues and silvers, very neutral colors, very calming. Everything felt really clean. And here is that fitness center for you. So it is just like a pass-through room. They do have a nice little yoga studio, and then a decent size for what it is, Precor machines, which my wife and I prefer over any of the other brands. And we'll walk on this bridge just to show you what it's like to walk over to the other tower in case your party is split. It's really easy to get back and forth. Not sure what these rooms look like. I was on the 6th floor of the main tower here, but overall a pretty nice airport hotel. And then on the lobby of the second building are where all of the meeting rooms are. They have some corporate offices as well, and then you can walk back to the main hotel, and they have a little space here, I think, for events as well. So now we're gonna head back upstairs and we're gonna check out what my main room looked like. So I will say the rooms at the Hyatt Regency John Wayne Airport were a little small. I knew this going in, but they definitely feel cramped compared to, I think, what a standard room would look like at other hotels. But they do a lot with the space. So you have an open air closet here to hang some stuff up, put your suitcases there. I've seen these in a number of other Hyatts, and they're very efficient. Don't really mind those at all. And then a sliding door, which I really hate to see in a bathroom just because it just doesn't give you any privacy. You can hear everything in and out. But a nice shower for the space, good water pressure, nice marble. It feels very high end. Hyatt always does a great job when they redo their rooms. And then you have a nice coffee machine. You have your mini fridge, waters that were free for globalists, even if you're Discoverers to get those for free. Nice giant television. Good comfortable king size bed. and then alarm over there to the right, and a phone to the left. We're gonna check out the view here. Kind of a cloudy day, and the balconies, as you can tell, are pretty small.